American Campus CSU relationship began in 2004 when we did an RFP for somebody to redevelop an historical building on campus, FENN Tower, into student housing.
CSU looked to American Campus Communities to help us develop a residence life program. We embarked upon 2 development projects together, FENN Tower and Euclid Commons, and they've then stepped into management of both of those buildings as well. So what they do now for us is they operate our residence life program. They touch each student as an educator, as a business person, and they help us create a campus community.
I've been an only child my whole life, and I've never really lived on my own. Having this apartment-style living, I learned how to cook and clean properly, so it is kind of its own little classroom.
I think it's changed the face of the campus for us. To have a on-campus housing experience that has the safety net of a Department of Residence Life, which means each student gets the assistance that they need to be academically successful, which differentiates us from apartments in the neighborhood.
These 2 projects here in Cleveland had a remarkable transformation of Euclid Avenue. It's creating a new edge to this part of the campus and an entrance as you come in from the east on Euclid Avenue. It puts a building frontage where there wasn't one any before. It really defines the street in this area of the city. That transformation really defines Cleveland State on Euclid Avenue.
A campus with residence life housing on it allows the campus to have a life that's 24/7. So there's always something happening here, and there's always a connection that other students who don't live on campus can make with a student who lives in one of either FENN or Euclid. So it gives us a chance to have more and more concentric circles of relation between our students and our faculty and staff, and I think that's a real benefit.
We could never have done a project like this as a university without private sector involvement. And so the decision to use a private sector development was a natural and easy one for the university. And selecting American Campus was very easy too, because they easily rose above their competitors in terms of what they were offering us in a way of both development expertise but also operational ability.
FENN Tower has been recognized for an award from Cleveland Restoration Society, which recognizes significant historic preservation projects in Cleveland. In addition to that, the Downtown Cleveland Alliance has recognized both FENN Tower and Euclid Commons for significant developments in downtown Cleveland. Euclid Commons was also recognized for a LEED Silver certification from the U.S. Green Building Council, which we're very proud of here at Cleveland State.
This year we have almost 1,400 applicants for the 1,100 beds on campus, which is something new for us to actually be oversubscribed. And so we went from the university in the area with the least desirable housing to the university in the area with the most desirable housing because of the suite style that we put in, which is what the students now are looking for.
Cleveland State has been considered a commuter campus, and they're doing a lot to try and promote on-campus living, which I think is great because I think you don't really get the full college experience unless you're living on campus, experiencing that independence away from home, away from the parents.
We've become very comfortable with how the university and the company will work together. American Campus keeps up with the industry in such a way that they are always bringing us new ideas, and I really appreciate that.